New right now, the government spy story stretches over the Atlantic. Now reports that the British have access to electronic information through America's top spy agency. Hi everyone, it's David Begnaud. This is Newsbreaker. The Guardian now says the UK's electronic eavesdropping and security agency, GCHQ, has also been secretly gathering intelligence from the world's biggest internet companies. And they've been doing it with the help of the National Security Agency's spy program known as PRISM. The Guardian reports it appears it's been going on since 2010. The story breaking as concerns build in the U.S. over privacy after it was revealed the NSA had access to phone, credit card info, and even internet records for several years. Fox reporting the government insists the information collected is connected solely to stop terror attacks and has thwarted at least one major planned attack since the PRISM program started.
Join the conversation at home or on the go. Anywhere you are, follow us on Twitter @Newsbreaker, like us on Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel, or join us at ora.tv/Newsbreaker.